Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to send confidential email in Gmail. A recipient won't have the option to forward, copy, print or download this email. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Chrome browser. This is my email. I just want to send the confidential email. The recipient won't forward or print or anything else he cannot do. Just he can view. If you want to print means it won't be able. Just check it out. Just go to compose mail. Once you click a compose mail, just type a recipient mail ID. So I just want to give my recipient mail ID and I just type some confidential subject. So this is a confidential subject or something else I can give according to my needs. Yes, so I have given the confidential things. I just want to type my message over here. So this is my confidential email IDs details and I just want to give here. So this is my important email ID. So I just want to send this one to the recipient. So I have the recipient and I have the subject and I have my email. If I want to attach anything, I can attach for my purpose. So everything will be in confidential. So I have attached my information. So now I just want to send this one. Before you are sending, in your downside you will find option called toggle confidential mode. Once I hit this option, there will be a lock and timer will be there. So the confidential mode will be switched on over here. The recipient won't have an option to forward, copy, print or download this email. So set expirations. So expire 1 week or you can give 1 day or anything else you can give. According to your setup, it will be enabled. So I have given this Wednesday, March 6th, 2024. I have given. So all passcodes will be generated by Google. For example, if they have a mobile with the passcode means you can use a SMS passcode to confidentially you can send the mail and they can ask. Open the mail means it will show you the mobile passcode. So you just give some no SMS passcode. So next video I'll tell you SMS passcode. Just select no SMS passcode and just click a save option. Once you click a save, the content will be expired March 6th. So if you want to edit this content, you can edit this content. A recipient won't have the option to forward, copy, print or download this email. So I just want to send this email. Automatically my email will be sent to my recipient. So now I just want to show this. So I have logged in with another email ID. So I'm just refreshing. So my email is going to come now. Yes, as you see here, I got an email ID from my HowXT official and this is a confidential email ID. So this message was sent confidential mode, open in a viewer content. It will be displayed over here. So it won't display like a content over here. Just hit the button. Automatically my confidential mail will be loading and open here. So with the dear and confidential details will be there. If I want to select anything, it won't be selected because everything will be locked over here. So if I just want to forward, everything will be blocked over here as you see here. So attachment also it will be open here. So if I want to see the detail, I can't able to download this because right click it won't work. So this is the confidential email details so that I can't able to print or anything else. On top I will have print all option. Once I click a print all option, automatically it will show the confidential mode. This message is sent through the confidential mode. You can't view or read any types of things because everything will be locked over here. So if you take a print or if you forward, nothing will happen because everything will be confidentially made this one. So now I can't able to do anything because I am a recipient. So now I just want to delete this email ID. For example, recipient viewed everything. I just want to delete this one. Just go to the same confidential email ID which you are sent from that mail and just go to sent mail. You will find an option called so John Martin Joseph. I have sent the mail. This is the confidential mail. Just scroll down. You will have an option called content expired on 6th March. Now you want to remove the access now itself. So what you have to do here, just click remove access. Automatically the access will be removed. Action is completed. So just go the same email ID and just refresh. Automatically the details email will be deleted over here. The confidential message will be deleted over here. I can show in a direct view. Yes, email has been expired. The sender has set a limit how much time you want to view this mail. So simple and easiest option if you want to send some kind of school or any type of office confidential email ID no one can view. If they view means automatically it will be in expired. You can set the date and time to expire, or you can manually expire this option through this option called remove access. So you can renew this access so that they can be able to view. If you want to remove this action, it will be removed. So 2 minutes ago it will remove the action. So simple and easiest tip. Use this option to send the mail. The recipient won't able to print or forward or anything else. They cannot able to view while you remove the access. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.